Hey guys, here's my puppy. If you can see on her right eye, it's kind of like closed. I don't know what's wrong. Say hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Hi.
You do not know how to make any YouTube videos.
Tell her to be quiet. I got a few subscribers.
You got 0 subscribers. I got 5 subscribers.
That's not even your channel, it's my mom's. Actually, go subscribe to my mom's channel. It's Amy Zatina. Just to go to subscribe, because my mom would be really happy. And leave something down in the description to know that you subscribed.
David, no, not description, comments.
I mean the comments. The comments, yeah.
Say how you like these videos.
And see how you like the videos. So guys, I'm gonna have to show you my grandpa.
Remember I had you bring shoes in here? Do you remember?
No.
From the camper?
No.
I can't find them and I need them. Maddie, here's your
Guys, I'm gonna go show you my grandpa. What are they on the internet? They're on YouTube. This is my grandpa. You can barely see him. The only reason you can't see really anything is because oh, bam. That scared me.
Nina, let's go get my medicine.
Guys. It would be really nice if you would go subscribe to my channel. Right down where, I don't know.
Right now, go subscribe.
No, it's not, it hasn't even been posted. It's not live. I wish you guys could see better. Because my camera is, like, the camera is all scratched right here. I'm out at my grandma's. She actually got a new bike. That's her car. That's our big camper. I'm gonna go show you inside of it. It is really nice. It got air. It got, oh yeah, and there's my puppy's truck for him to go to work. He works at Matulsa, and he works 24/7. Well, not 24/7. He works 16/7. He works 16/7. It's a little dirty. Oh crap! It's a little dirty because